Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to look for and how to reset a tripped breaker. So if you have no power somewhere in the apartment, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, anywhere that you're just having problems with the power, the first thing you want to do is check to make sure that the breaker isn't tripped. Very easy. In every apartment there's a breaker panel, and I'll show you how to identify which breaker needs to be reset and then how to reset that breaker. So on this breaker box, I have a breaker right here, this one right here, that is tripped. Now I can show you how to identify it first. So if you look head on with the breakers, all the way to the right on this one is on, all the way to the left is off. All the way to the right is on, all the way to the left is off. Now this breaker right here, number 5, the third one down, this breaker is not to the right or the left, it's right in the middle. If you see that, it's not on the off position, it's not in the on position, it is right in the middle. So to reset that breaker, all you need to do is push it all the way over to the off position. And now it's off. And now to turn it back on and reset it, just turn it back on, and that's how you reset your breaker. And like I said, you'll know that these breakers need to be reset is if you see this breaker panel, this breaker switch right here in that middle position. Look for any breaker in the middle position. Some breakers, if they're tripped over here on the side, when it's in the middle, it exposes a color orange. And then that makes it easier for you to know which breaker needs to be reset. You see the orange. And then, like I said, all you do is flip it off, flip it back on, and that's how you reset your breaker. If you have any power issues in the apartment, it's the first place to go. Everything on the right, if done properly, should be labeled. So that breaker that we were setting was number 5 for the master bedroom. It was in that middle trip position. Turned it off. Turn it back on, power should be restored. And that's how you reset your circuit breaker if you have no power in the apartment.